guys.
So we're here today. We're at IKEA actually. We're trying to just, I'm not so tall. We're trying to get stuffs for our house to just do a little decor. Oh, my baby is not this dark. We're trying to get stuff for the house to do a little decor for Christmas, and so we came here to just see some decor ideas and also buy some stuffs for the house. That's what we're currently doing. I hope you guys can hear me with my marks anyway. So yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share and enjoy today's video. It's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna be showing you guys a lot of beautiful decor ideas and like what we're going to use for the house. Stay tuned and enjoy.
Ta-da!
Let's go deep. This is so nice, guys. I like this tree. And what are all this? Okay, these are decors, ornaments. Yeah, let's go.
Under pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose?
This is exactly the same sofa we have at home. We got it here as well, like just the same. We're trying to just get like throw pillows on it now. This is like throw pillow ideas. I don't know the colors, but let's just keep checking.
Under pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose?
Babe, I love this light. Look at it. Does it change color? Yeah, that's all. Just on and off. It's nice. So, D, what do you think?
The whole house. It doesn't look like
Yeah, exactly like our lights.
the whole house settings is kind of cool.
But
Very cool. No buts, like very cool.
we're waiting to get some
it's just
stuff.
like to replicate this kind of shit at home.
Yeah, quite difficult to replicate, especially with space. We need like almost equivalent type of space, like what we're seeing here
No,
to
you
replicate.
don't
I
need the
think
space. It's
so.
just this living room that you need to replicate now. But
So
just,
nice,
you need
guys.
money to
Really
replicate
nice.
it.
You need money.
You actually need money to replicate
You
it.
need money to do that too. I
Because these
won't
things
even
don't come
lie
easy.
at all.
To buy this whole shelf now, do you know how much it's going to cost?
At all. And this is the kitchen.
お会計の順番をお待ちの際は前にお並びの方との距離を広めに空けてお並びください。また現金を通しての接触を避けるためにクレジットカードキャッシュレス決済のご利用をお勧めいたします。今後とも感染拡大防止の
Look
た
at
め
this.
皆様のご理解ご協力のほどよろしくお願い申し上げます。
But look at this one. I feel like it's like storage. Yeah. Oh wow. This is nice.
Under pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose?
Is this what we're getting? Wow, this is nice. And guys, look at this place.
Yeah, our rope is going to be big like this.
This big.
Oh, is this not too big?
Yeah, I feel like it's too big.
You take the whole sitting room.
Yeah. Guys, look at it. Look at this one. I don't know, I'm not really a fan of this though because I don't know why. Do you look at baby? Baby. What's this? But it has a lot of storage. Look at it, guys. An eating table. This big suit. I like it. This is nice, guys. What do you think? Look at this one. We just have one of it in the living room, but we don't have all that space. We don't have all that space to keep all these ones.
What?
I feel like this is for the whole bicycle thing makes it look beautiful, but is it really realistic? This is the kitchen. I feel like it's like a bachelor's apartment because look at how small the fridge is. Is this the one you want to get?
No, this is bigger. 51 by 91.
This is the black version of the TV shelf we have at home. Look at this.
I actually don't want it.
I feel like I want it, but I don't know. You can actually even hang it.
Yeah.
Guys, I think I'm going to buy it. I'm not sure. You took it?
One for soup.
Yeah. They're very colorful. Like, wow guys, look at this light area. It's so nice as well. We'll be getting some.
What do you think about it?
It looks okay.
You are not touching it.
What do you want to do? Just checking his nice. Are you sleeping?
What in law? What in law?
You didn't know before. Your mind you just clicked on me. Koro koro.
Yeah, which one should we pick?
Just sit down. I'm watching. I'm tired.
Which one should we pick?
Guys, I'm exhausted. Extremely tired. It's difficult shopping, honestly. Very, very difficult. With these nose marks and my glasses, I just feel like very tired and hungry. So this is the last place we're coming to. We love these candles a lot. They smell so good, like really nice, and we just pack a lot of them. Yeah, so we're just going to look for the ones that can last for 24 hours. Some are 20 hours anyway. It just depends on which we want. Hi guys, extremely super exhausted, like so tired. We just came in to eat. What are we eating? Lunch, dinner.
Luna. Eating Luna.
Like, you know, we're going to spend that long at IKEA, so we're just finally going to grab something to eat before going home at one of our favorite restaurants. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Extremely hungry, guys. So tired. Maybe sorry, yeah? Looking so stressed as well.
I feel very tired.
I know, right? So tired. Yeah, so yeah, that's what we'll do. We just ordered and we're waiting for our food to get here. Finally, our food is here, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We're so hungry. We're just going to eat, and if you're new here, you know what to do. Please subscribe to our channel, share videos, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.